Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be everything I am packing for our vacation. So December 27th to December 30th, we are going to be going on a vacation up north. Me, my mom, and 8 of our cousins have all decided on this huge cottage. And I'm super excited because what's really cool about this cottage is it has an indoor sauna and it's a lakefront view. So now, without further ado, let's show you everything I am packing. So the first thing I'm going to show you is hoodies. So since we are going for only 3 days, I'm only going to need 2 hoodies considering I'm probably going to be wearing a hoodie on the drive. So first up, I have this black hoodie that just says Nike. And then I'm also going to be bringing this purple hoodie that just says Bench. Next up, I'm going to show you my pajamas, and I'm only needing 2 pairs of pajamas since we're going 2 nights. So this is my first set of pajamas. We've just got a regular unicorn shirt, and we've got some rainbow pajama pants. So my second set of pajamas is one of my favorite pajamas. So we've got this extra big and bulky purple shirt, and then we've got these funky pink poop pajama pants. Then, because I am a really hot sleeper, I am packing an extra pair of Blue Jay pajama shorts. Now I'm going to show you my outfits. We are going 3 days, but since I'm already going to be ready for the day when we go, I only need 2 outfits. So the first outfit I have chosen is this pink shirt along with some gray track pants. And then the second outfit I've chosen is this Peppa Pig shirt along with some black track pants. Now, because there is an indoor sauna, like I mentioned earlier, I'm also going to need to pack a bathing suit. So we are just going with this basic bathing suit. So we are going to skip the essentials and undergarments. And now I'm going to show you guys some activities I've packed for the trip. So for the 6-hour drive, I've chose this Charlie Brown book to read. And I'm also bringing snakes and ladders for me and my little cousin to play at the cottage. So now it's time to pack my suitcase up. There we go, my suitcase is all packed. So that will be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you feel like it, and click the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye guys, hope to see you in my next video.